Why are you like this? Like, I don't want that place of the corn. Hey everyone, it's Tori coming back at you with another video. So today I thought we would do a video of making slime. So pretty much what you need is some shaving foam. Thanks, Dad. You're not here. I did not ask you, but some baking soda, some cornstarch, blue dye, and eye contact solution. Thanks, Auntie Joyce. You left this here like 5 years ago. Thanking all my family for leaving stuff at my house and me stealing it. And a bowl. And I forgot we need glue. And so we're going to just eyeball it because I don't know how much. And do you like how my hair's still pink? It's been 3 washes, whatever. And I can't get this open. Can you see Ben? Say hi, Ben. Benjamin. 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 Okay, fine. Don't say hi. Like, that's cool. Anyway, so we're gonna put it in.
One eternity later.
Whee! I don't know how much you need. I could Google this. I could Google this very easily, but I'm not the type of person to do that. Where's Scooby? Scooby! Where are you, baby? Scooby! Ooh, this like stinks. I'm gonna assume like it's a 1-to-1 ratio, except for the eye solution thing. Okay. We're gonna add some baking soda, cornstarch, all over. It's all over. Oh, by the way, this is my first time making slime ever in my life. So clearly this is going great so far. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? Okay. And what? I think, do I start mixing it? Do I just put in some, I need the shaving cream. I forgot about that. Hi, Scoobs. No, no, no. I like shaving cream. It smells good. And then eye drops. And then just like mixing it together. I hate this. Why did I use my hand? I regret this. I regret this. I so 100% regret this. Is this slime? Mom, come help me.
No.
I hate myself. Ah! I thought this was gonna be fun. I thought slime was supposed to be fun. No, it's just a mess. Why is it a mess? Why is my life a mess? Oh, there's my hair in it. Love that. We did it. We did it. I did it. I did it. Actually, I don't think I did it, but we got something. It's like not sticking to me. Okay, well, we got this. It's definitely not slime. It looks like a deformed Play-Doh. And yeah, that's it. And then we rip in the middle. There's a whole bunch of glitter. So yeah, that was a huge disappointment. I suck at this. Guys, comment down below your recipes for slime, because obviously mine doesn't work. I thought this could work. I literally, yeah, it's literally like texture Play-Doh. But I mean, I'm cleaning up this mess now with this, so that's one thing good about it. Anyways, I hope you liked this disastrous mess I created. If you did, make sure to give it a like. If you didn't, give it a like too. Make sure you guys subscribe because I post every Monday, and I'll see you guys next week with hopefully not another dog barking. Ah! With hope. With hopefully not another fail video. Okay, bye guys.